When you're the opening operator, log into Watchtower after you unlock the facility. You can always find the right Watchtower link by going to your email and searching Watchtower, then clicking on the login button. Enter your username and password. And then you're going to want to get to the form section. Open up the opening checklist. And you just want to go through the checklist as you complete your opening duties. I would say that the first thing you should check, if everything else on the deck appears to be somewhat normal, would be the flow rate. Uh, Make sure that the pumps are functioning, water level is clear. Flow rate is definitely the first thing you want to check because we need the pumps to be working. Then you're going to want to record the water clarity, the initial chlorine and pH readings. But if you can't make it to the pump room without noticing something that needs your immediate attention, like the pool area is just in a poor condition, and make sure you're taking care of that first. If you have to stop filling out the checklist and get back to it later, that's fine. You can just scroll back up to the top of the checklist or down to the bottom and hit the Save Progress button. Other responsibilities of the opening operator include ensuring your facility furniture is organized, that they have all the proper equipment, such as the AED, the rescue tube, and the med kit. Um, you want to make sure the bathrooms are cleaned and stocked, which they should have been done the night before. Skimmer baskets have been emptied. The front desk area is clean. The pool is vacuumed. The staff arrived on time, and so on. And again, you do not need to complete the opening checklist in the order it's presented on Watchtower. It's just a suggestion in terms of the order of operations here. But most importantly, you got to make sure that your facility is ready to open that day, and that's your priority over getting this checklist filled out. Please leave a note if there's anything worth noting as far as deficiencies on pool deck or things that weren't done the night before that should have. And definitely leave a note if any members of the staff are not arriving on time or in uniform. And that's it for the opening checklist. Don't forget to reach out if you need any help. All right. Now on to the closing checklist. Unlike the opening checklist, we actually really need you to get this filled out after you lock up the facility, turn out the lights, and before you leave. This is really important. Now, pulling this closing checklist up as you're just starting to get ready to close before all the patrons have left is going to be very helpful for you. It's got everything that you need to do on there. Uh, and another spot for you to leave notes if you have any to leave. All right, but make sure this gets done before you leave the facility every night.